Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Waffle legendary in Grow a Garden. To begin, understand that achieving legendary status requires consistent care and strategic upgrades. Focus on gathering the correct ingredients like 1 peach, 1 coconut, and 1 apple. Head to the cooking pot in the middle of the island to start your culinary journey. We'll cover each step to guide you. To ensure a steady supply of ingredients for your legendary waffles, focus on optimizing your garden. Plant and harvest the necessary fruits directly from your plots. While specific waffle ingredients like peach, coconut, and apple are key, maintaining a diverse garden with common fruits like strawberry and watermelon can also be beneficial for other recipes or cravings. Consistent care leads to a bountiful harvest. Once you have gathered your 1 peach, 1 coconut, and 1 apple, head to the cooking pot. Equip each ingredient and interact with the pot to add them one by one. After all ingredients are in, press the cook button to begin the process. The cooking time is approximately 6 minutes, so be patient. When complete, interact with the pot again to retrieve your delicious legendary waffle. After successfully crafting your legendary waffle, it's time to deliver it to Crispy Bacon. Equip the waffle and speak to him, selecting the option to offer him your cooked food. If he is craving a waffle, you are more likely to receive better rewards, including valuable items like seed packs or mutation sprays. Remember, the weight of the dish can also influence the rewards. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.